Alright guys, I am here with the new Nyma Tang Coral Lip Collection. She is so cute. I love her. She's been such a big inspiration for me to like start doing YouTube and stuff because she's just keeps it real. And so of course I had to grab the collab. I did not grab her like perfect nude ones just because I didn't think it would be perfect nude for me, but I did grab the corals. So this is like a first impression all around, not just of the shades but of Dose of Colors formula. I do have one liquid lipstick from them that I got in BoxyCharm, but to be honest I never used it. I don't even know what the shade name is. I'll probably have to check that out after. But this is what the package looks like when you open the box. It comes with the liner. I'm gonna try, guys, but I will tell you right now, I am not good with lip liner, so we will see. There is the liquid matte. The shade is Zoe. Let me go back to the pencil. That is the shade Amber-ish. And then we have the gloss in Sequence and the lipstick formula in Beau. I'm going to swatch all of these. Don't you just love when you open a lipstick? It's just like glossy and beautiful. So here we go. That is the lipstick, which I'm really excited to use. Then we have the gloss. The liquid matte. It's a very thin formula. This is the liquid matte. We're going to let it dry. And then the lip liner. They're all up my alley. I feel like I recently purchased a lip liner very similar to this from the Patrick Ta line during the Sephora sale. So let's see. Let's do the liner and the gloss first, and then the liner and the lipstick, and then the matte liquid lipstick, since that's going to be harder to remove. So let's witness my horribleness with the liner. I'm not down with the overdrawing the lips either, so I just don't feel comfortable. So I will say that glided on really, really smoothly. And I didn't make a mess, so that is a good sign. Let's take this gloss in Sequence and put it over top. Maybe my eyes were a little too dramatic for this, but who cares? It has a definitely vanilla flavor scent to it or whatever. Personally, I'm not a vanilla fan, but it's not the worst. So this is what that looks like. That's really pretty. The like golds and red look to the gloss is really mesmerizing and beautiful, but it makes you a little scared, or at least me personally, to put it on my lips because I'm like, is it gonna look like that? And it doesn't look crazy glittery, which I like. It's also very comfortable on the lips. It's not doing anything weird. I like, it's nice. All right, we're gonna go back in with the liner. That's how I sometimes do it, just on the bottom, and then I boop, 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 and that helps me. Okay, we got that on. Let's get this lipstick. Oh my goodness, look how the packaging is like that soft velvet, and then it has that clear that you can really see the color through it, which I like. And then the packaging has her signature, and then even on the bullet of the lipstick. It's very cool. This is like my go-to summer kind of coral. Very true red. Beautiful. Very comfortable. It has a bouncy kind of texture, so it doesn't feel drying or like life-sucking, you know, like some of the lipsticks out there. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's get in with the liquid lipstick. When it makes my teeth look really good too. I just want to say that I don't use any whitening products on my teeth, just regular Hello toothpaste without fluoride even. Yeah, and this looks really cool. I am going to go in with the lip liner a little bit just to make sure I don't make a mess of myself. But I'm super excited to try the matte lipstick because Paulina, I think her channel is Paulina Does Makeup. What is it called? Watch it like every single day. Paulina Beauty. She always wears a Dose of Color liquid lipstick. I think Cork is one of the shades she's always using. And she seems to really enjoy it. So I'm excited to finally try something. The only unfortunate thing, like say if I did notice, was like if you wanted to try the gloss because you're not really a lipstick person, you wanted to support, they didn't have any of these products individual. Because I personally don't use a liquid lipstick, I was hoping to get like the gloss and then the bullet lipstick, but they didn't have just those available. They just had the bundle. It would be nice if they had the each individual things, but it wasn't the end of the world. And I also used Trend Mood code because whenever I can't remember a code from somebody else, I just use Trend Mood and it works usually. Save a little coin. Very thin. I don't even think I need another coat to like make it fully opaque because that pretty much did it. I'm gonna give it a minute to dry down before I like finally say anything because I don't know what to expect. So this is what they look like, and this is the matte liquid lipstick all dried down. They're pretty much the same color, so I guess it really just is about what formula you really enjoy. My liquid lipstick is starting to dry down. I do feel it dry down a little bit, and it is kind of settling into the creases on my lips, the wrinkles on my lips. I don't know what you want to call them, but it doesn't feel too crazy uncomfortable. I mean, I am aware of my lips that I have lipstick on it. It does feel like if you wear a mask and you care about having your lipstick last all day, that this is like a great formula to wear. Maybe I should think about that because I wear masks all day at work and I never wear lipstick anymore because I really enjoy like opaque glosses, but they transfer. So maybe something like this would work. Could I get into this? I guess this is the beginning of something. I'm gonna try it out some more. It feels like I'm aware of my lips, but that's because I never wear lipstick, never mind a liquid one. So yeah, I really enjoyed this lipstick. I think it looks really beautiful and I will continue wearing it. I think it's gorgeous for the summertime. My skin tone, obviously darker. And maybe if you're lighter, you might be down. It's cute. I likes it. So thumbs up. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And until next time, love you guys. Bye.